best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make.
Good morning, guys. Kinuha niyo na sa yung mga pinamili niya kahapon. Today is Sunday, Sunday, July 17. And where are we going? Where are we going, babe? Ha? Punta kami ng outlets. More shopping. More shopping si Johnny Boy. Mga bata tulog pa. So, yan yung nakuha niya dun sa Rip Curl. Is that Rip Curl? The first one. Kasi yung isa sa Quicksilver. Pero iba-ibang ano yun. Yung laman ng store na yun, iba-ibang brand ng surf brand. Do a whole hand. Tinignan na. That Zachary. Yeah, that one. That's on sale, that one. Zachary. Hindi man lang binubulat-lat. Josh. Open it, babe. No. You're done. DJ. Yeah. That's DJ. DJ. I think that's all DJ. What? How about that? Ah, you didn't get that one? You get the shorts there. Open that window there, babe. John. Silent lang siya magkuha. John. So, okay. Which one I'm gonna wear, babe? You gotta choose one. John. Hindi niya man lang ipakita yung pag-goal niya. Zachary. Yeah, they need shorts. And yan. Sa akin na yan. Higihin na yung mga bata. Kasi alis ko maaga. Anong oras na ba? 7:40. Yan si Kuya. And meron, how much you got that for, Han? $10. Pag may binili ka. $10 yan, oh. What you gonna put there?
That stays on there.
Ah, that's packet. You have to put it inside, but
That's all yours in there.
backpack. You wanna wear that one? That's alright. What's that, Zach?
But then I don't want to wear this.
No, we're at one.
I'll wear this one.
That one is your favorite. Let me see what's the print at the back. Ah, nice.
Mom, instead of wearing...
Gold Coast, okay.
Quick shower because they're coming
Quick
in.
shower, okay. What did you say?
Rusted jumper.
Me and Dad got the same but different colour.
Oh, yeah. I like that one. I like your top. I like that.
This one.
Baba ka mo. Maligo na kami. Si Kuya nasa naliligo na siya. Yan na si Johnny Boy. Inaayos niya na yung kanyang mga nabili.
I saw some shorts but they were a lot.
Huh?
I saw some shorts but they were a lot.
Dito na tayo sa car, guys. What do you think of my clothes? Kasi hindi ko pa sinuot yung gusto niyang damit na binili natin sa kahapon. Ay sinuot ko ulit yung oversized t-shirt na may cutie pie. Ayan ang cute. Tapos naka-biker shorts.
Cutie pie?
Yeah. I don't know who's that one. Teddy? Do you like
that
this?
one.
Hindi niyo
Look how
pinapansin.
big that is.
Yeah, not that one, right, Zach? Not that one.
Oh no, Dad, you should have seen this huge.
I know. That's right. It's different from other caravan.
Leaving.
Marami na yung isang caravan na katulad kay Ben. Aalis na.
So big.
So ngayon nakapag-transfer tayo. So meron ako dito mga 60 minutes. So nakapag-transfer ako kagabi. So hindi ako nakapag-edit kagabi. Nag-transfer lang ako ng files. And natulog kasi maaga tayo. Time check is 9.
Oh, you took the jet.
No, 8:56. Ang aga pa, guys. 8:56. May dala akong brioche. Ayan, brioche. Just in case magutom sa sa biyahe. Meron tayong pagkain sa mga bata. Pero kumakain naman sila eh.
Do you like it?
Yan tayo pupunta, guys, sa outlet. Parang na-pause tayo.
Outlet?
Yes, Rip Curl Outlet.
Yeah, go that one.
Nauna na dun yung mga bata. Oh. Okay, shopping ulit tayo today. Gusto ko, hindi ko pa siya natataling kasi basa pa yung buhok niya. Okay. Hanap muna tayo. Gusto ko mahanapan si Holly kasi siya yung parang wala pa talaga. Ayan, 50% off, yes. Size 10? Go.
Got it.
You have to hold it. Naka 50% yun. Yung pinuntan natin, hindi yun 50%. Kasi hindi naman yun outlet. Ang sisa ko. Yeah. Go, Zaki. Shirt talaga kailangan nilang short. Yun talaga mga bet yung color. It's up to you. You're the one gonna wear it.
Hold it.
There, please. Which one? Where? Ah, yeah. Same as what you're wearing now. Yes. Where do you get that from? Yamba? Yamba, I think.
We're not looking for boys, we're looking for girls.
Kasama natin si Max. Say good morning to my vlog. Good morning. Oh, punta raw kami sa girls. Okay. Girls. Perfect. Okay, find your size. 50% off sila. Ito, dati siyang, how much is this? Can you hold this, Baba? Mimili talaga siya. Basta naka 50. Too small for you. Try ko sa kanya yung biker shorts. Tulad ng suot ko. Kasi yun ang suot niya, oh.
Perfect.
Perfect? Let me see. Show me. Come on, show me. Lift your dress, please. Perfect? Okay. Show daddy. Show daddy. Let me see. It's not... What size? Maybe we have to go smaller.
This one's good.
This one good? Okay, alright.
Mommy, I want that too.
Yeah, mayroon silang matching. T-shirt nga lang sa kanya jumper. Meron na siyang napili. Sila pala. Maganda sana to. Kaso yung kapartner niya, malaki kay Holly. Yung nakuha niyang, ganitong top. 4 to, no, it's too big, this one, Baba. 4 to 5, eto 6 to 7. Yeah, it's too big, Baba. See? Too big.
It will keep me warm.
Oh, yeah. Big.
I can do this.
Gusto niya talaga. Let me see. Gawa natin para malaki, my love. It's fit? No? Ang dami niyang sinukat. Meron siyang nakita na naman. This one? Ask Daddy. Yeah, it looks nice. Over there. Magsusukat tayo ng mga swimwears. Ayan. Sukat tayo.
I'm going to get some shirts.
Short and short, okay. Wait lang, meron ako nakita. Doing? Ah.
And another shirt.
Oh, nice.
Some other one, but different colors.
Ito, gusto ko siya, guys. Ayan. Oh. So, ito, gusto ko yung kulay niya. And tama lang yung fit. Size 8 siya, guys. Ito, gusto ko. Pinakita ko kay Jan. Pero sa akin, Jan, okay lang. Dito si Holy Girl. Come on. Look at me. You like it? Yeah. Porque tapos na sila. Minamadali na nila ako magsukat. So, yeah, okay. Let's go. Oh. Well, because you're rushing me, so I didn't fit it. Oh, wait. Tapos na tayo, guys. Okay. See ya! Okay. Nagpalit agad siya ng shorts. No, yan yung nakuha niyang shorts. Okay, tapos na tayo dito sa outlet na to.
songs.
You got new thongs!
They're these.
I didn't know. So he got a new thongs too, Han.
And they're not the same.
What do you mean not the same?
They are the same, but they're
Come
not.
on.
No?
No brioche.
Ayaw nila nito. Ako na lang. Maganda dito kasi naka-separate ba? You want Baba? Okay.
I'll try brioche. I'll try first, Mom. You. Nah. I'll try first.
Ayaw din sa kang amoy.
I'll try first.
Yeah.
If I like it.
What are we doing? Excuse me, it's not 30
No.
degrees.
Oh my God. Ayaw nila. Ako na naman.
I don't like it.
30 degrees,
I like it.
Sarap. Punta lang daw muna kami sa kaibigan. Sa kapatid ni Ben. Kasi may kapatid dito si Ben. Mag-say hi lang daw saglit. Then, pupunta tayo sa isa pang shopping outlet. Is it an outlet, Ben?
Yep.
What do you call it?
Where?
The one where we're going after here?
Oh, that.
Ashmore daw. Punta tayo sa Ashmore. Parang may chocolate ako. Nakadalawa akong brioche na chocolate. How is it, Baba? Kumakain din siya. Nagustuhan niya rin at the end. Dito na kami sa kapatid ni Ben. So, mamaya na lang ulit, guys.
Oh, hi, Ivy.
It's your fault. Sinuntok niya
She
ako.
scratched me and look what
No,
made it bleed a lot.
no, that's wrong. What you did, you punched me and then you hit my bracelet and that's what happened. This one. And then yung mga bata. Dito pa rin tayo. Ang laki ng land nila. Nagkikik ng footy si Kuya tsaka si Mom. Si Sak hindi makapag-kick kasi naka-slippers. Laki ng land nila. Mayroon silang banana tree. Nasaan na? Ayun, oh. Parang lang tayo nasa Philippines. Ayun, oh. Kita nyo? Banana tree. Hanggang doon yung land. Driveway nila yan. Tapos yan yung bahay nila. Tapos, masaya pa nakakita akong ganyang puno. Yung palm trees. Ganda. Parang Pinas lang. Yes.
Can you go in their house?
Yeah, you can go in. Go with Ivy. Nahiya siya. Go with Ivy. Sasakan. Grabe. Let me see. That's why you have to be careful.
No fault.
It's not my fault. Your
That's why
fault.
I'd never get these nails.
Not nails. You punch this. This one.
So I punched that,
Yeah.
that,
Yeah.
and then that.
No.
Right
No.
in it.
Nakapasok yung football nila doon. sa ilalim ng car. So, meron si Jan na shovel. Yung kinukuha niya. Kasi si Kuya ayaw niyang kunin kasi daw madudumi yung t-shirt niya. Same as Max. So, si Johnny ba ako kumuha? Kuha pa? Ayan, nakuha na. Ang pangalan ng aso nila ay Zach. His name is Zach. You know? Yeah, his name is Zach. Very friendly. Yeah, yeah. Zach or that one, the little boy.
I wonder if Zach remembers him. He's hiding. Been a while. Max! Give it to Ivy.
Dawa! Dawa! Parang kuha siya ng nyog. Try niyang, try niyang umakyat dyan, no? Philippines lang. Matagal-tagal din tayo dito, guys. Sobrang init. Ilagay daw yung aircon, sabi ni Kuya. What did you say? Ano sila? Pinagpapawas kasi kanina pa sila naglalaro. Anong oras na ba? Ano na? 11:44. Medyo matagal tayo dito. Oh, hindi pa pala. Ayun, nag-uusap pa sila. Di ba? Ang ganda dito, guys. Oh, ang init-init. Nakabukas yung mga bintana ng car kasi mainit. Ayan yung driveway nila. Loving the weather?
Yes.
Ang init, guys. As in, grabing init. Ayan, oh. Sobrang init, oh. We're going to another shopping outlet. Punta tayo ng Ashmore. Ay pupunta, guys. Ayan. So,
We're going to the Eiffel.
you can spend your money?
Because
Kids
Ayan.
got something?
Kung gusto nyo mag-shopping dito sa Ashmore, guys, outlet sila.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.